Hello everyone and welcome to Galaxy 89 Cars. Today I'm bringing you an exterior and interior overview and hill climb video of the 2018 Apollo Intensa Emozione from the 2018 Goodwood Festival of Speed. The Apollo IE, as it has been abbreviated to, is a mainly track-focused hypercar made by a team that spawned the equally eye-catching Gumpert Apollo. It has been crafted to capture the lost emotion and fading spirit of past hypercars, with only 10 being produced. It provides an unhindered, pure and raw driving experience that brings it close to a modern GT1 car, and looking at its key characteristics, it seems these aims have been achieved. The IE is made from a roofless carbon fibre monocoque and carbon fibre bodywork, and as a result weighs only 1,250 kilograms. However, it is quite long at 5,066 millimeters. It is powered by a rear-mounted, naturally aspirated 6.3-litre V12 that produces 769 brake horsepower and 560 foot-pounds of torque. This output produces a 0 to 62 mph or 100 km/h time of just 2.7 seconds and a reported top speed of 208 mph. Astonishingly, and thanks to its insane front splitter, front arch louvers, dorsal and rear wing and diffuser, the car is claimed to produce 1,350 kilograms of downforce at 300 km/h, which means it produces more than it weighs. The IE's exhaust exit from the rear from a very distinctive outlet. Let's hear how it sounds. It sits on two sets of wheels, 20 and 21-inch road and 18-inch track lightweight forged aluminium alloys. Moving inside, we find the detachable, multifunctional steering wheel with 12-inch and 5-inch displays ahead. And behind, carbon fibre shell seats with padding that can be customised to the customer's shape. Let's see it take on the hill climb.
Supercar, built in Australia, Australian built chassis, designed in
So what do you think about the Apollo IE? Let me know in the comments section below. Please subscribe for the latest content, and until next time, thanks for watching.